how to use the chat GPT in any Android phone. So you need to open the Play Store, click on the search, and at the top type chat GPT, and you just need to download and install it. Just click on open, and you need to sign in with your email, and then you can simply ask whatever you want. So let's say if you want write a Christmas wish by John to his lovely daughter. Now, so it has written like this. You can use it, and if you want any changes, you can let them know that whether you want how exactly the tone and everything. So you can always make changes in it. Subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a wonderful day.